Do you want to make money from home? In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to make money with your smartphone. Using these apps and sites, you can take on gig jobs and get paid instantly on your phone. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash on the side, watch the video all through. Check the description box for amazing making money hacks. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. There are so many different ways you can make money online that are most convenient for your lifestyle. I'm going to share the best money-making apps for gig jobs that are perfect for earning a side income. Choose which app is best for you and start making money today. These apps will help you find new gigs and earn extra income for your work. See how thousands are able to make money through these easy-to-use apps. 1. Instacart. You may earn money using the Instacart app by doing things like grocery shopping and delivering them to customers. A user just launches the app, looks for local businesses, shops for groceries as usual, and waits to have them delivered to her house. Sitting on her couch, she does all of this. As soon as the order is placed, a shopper is sent to the market, where they choose the requested items before delivering them to the consumer. According to Glassdoor, with Instacart, you may make anything from $7 to $20 per hour. You need a valid driver's license and proof of vehicle insurance to drive in the United States. 2. Shipped. Consumers using the Shipped app may place orders for a wide variety of goods, including food, baby necessities, and cleaning supplies. You may now be paid by Shipt to go shopping and deliver packages to customers. On par with what other shoppers report making each hour, around $13. It's not fixed, however. In this sense, your earnings potential varies with factors such as location, working hours, and product offerings. You must be at least 18 years old and have a driver's license and car insurance. Payouts from Ship occur once each week, on Fridays, for all orders fulfilled during the previous week. 3. DoorDash. DoorDash is a food delivery service that pays you to pick up orders from local restaurants and deliver them to customers' homes. With DoorDash, you may choose when you want to work, and if an order doesn't fit your schedule, you don't have to do it. What's more significant, however, is that you may make some good additional money in as little as an hour a day, even after you get home from work. The average hourly wage is $13.70. Anyone who wants to drive must be at least 18 years old and have a valid driver's license. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.